Kuya Darwin Saho, to our Harmony Officer of the Marinduque Matikas Region, Kuya Jan Laos, our President of Marinduque Morion Eagles Club, Kuya Arnel Garcia, our National Assemblyman, Kuya John Fernandez, all Charter Club President under the Marinduque Matikas Region, officers and members of the club, Charter Club Presidents, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Marahil ay may tuturing na isang makasaysayan ang pagkakatatag ng Marinduque Matikas Region. Kakibat ang layunin na makatulong sa ating mga kababayan, lalo tigit ay sa ating kapatiran. Kung aking sasariwain, taong 2015 nang mag-umpisa, ang munting pangarap na maging isa sa mga kasapi ng The Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, na ang layunin ay magkaroon ng isang rehiyon dito sa ating lalawigan. Hindi nabigo ang mga pangarap na iyon. After 2 years, I was the Charter Club President of Taguig City North Eagles Club. Kasama ko ang mga charter member na sila Kuya Gob Bong Rasa Jr., Kuya John Fernandez, and also Kuya Arnel Garcia. In a few months, we chartered Marinduque Morion Eagles Club, the first and pioneer in Marinduque, under the leadership of Charter Club President Kuya Bong Rasa Jr. After a year, Kuya Arnel Garcia informed that we have another club organized, that is Pulang Lupa Torrijos Morion Eagles Club, organized by Kuya Vice Governor Christopher Laos. I remember in CR7 region, Governor Gilbert Trani conducted community service and visitation in our province together Kuya Arman Palma, and they are over to help organize our region. And it started organize the Marinduque Matikas region. The Charter Club President from Torrijos Pulang Lupa Morion Matikas Eagles Club, Kuya Christopher Laos, tatlong hari, Morion Matikas Eagles Club, Kuya Alexandros Citralde, Luzon Datom, Morion Matikas Eagles Club, Kuya Dennis Mauricio, Buak Morion Matikas Eagles Club, Kuya Joel Hernandez, Santa Cruz, Morion Matikas Eagles Club, Kuya Edwin Ricaprente, Marinduque Morion Eagles Club, Kuya Bong Rasa Jr., and Taguig City North Eagles Club. Yours truly. Nais ko pong pasalamatan ang inyong natatanging dedikasyon, pagmamahal at malasakit sa ating kapatiran. And I'd like to recognize the members of Marinduque Morion Eagles Club na nandito po ngayong gabi. Andito lang po ako upang gabayan at ibahagi ang munting kaalaman para sa ikabubuti at pagpatuloy na maging matatag at may puso at pagmamahal sa bawat isa sa atin. Bilang pagtatapos sa maikling mensahe, nawa po'y magpatuloy ang ating kapatiran de Marinduque Morion Eagles Club. Maraming salamat at magandang gabi pong muli sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay ang Agila!
Thank you so much for that very inspiring message, our Charter Governor, Kuya Bobby V. Gonzales. And before we continue to the next fraternal message, may I call on the Luzon Dato Morion Matikas Eagles Club for their special number. All right, take your time. Announcement po, ang atin pong next na intermission number will be from the Torrijos Pulang Lupa Morion Matikas Eagles Club, followed by the surprise number. Kuya Darwin will be the one to do the honor to introduce the special number from Tatlong Hari Morion Matikas Eagles Club, followed by the intermission from the Santa Cruz Morion Matikas Eagles Club, and another interval after the message, intermission number from Buwak Morion Matikas Eagles Club, and after that, another intermission number from the Marinduque Morion Eagles Club. While we are waiting for the presentation of the Luzon Datom, we would like to thank the following sponsors: Vice Governor Adeline M. Angeles, ER Magro Construction, the Arco Gasoline Station, BPG Builders by Kuya Bobby, Jomate Construction, GTJ Construction, CLM Builders and Design, LDB Construction, PCSI by Atishe Wilhelm, Mansan Grosser, Pinky's Taha, Engineer Gerald Rianzares, Bagasbas Beach Resort, BM Bertinos Valencia, A&D Resto Bar, Neighbors Crust, Valenzuela Copra Buyer, Evangeline Ang Somera, CPA, Totit Hardware, Arevalo Specs Vision Center, Sunshine Video Bar, Ian Redlands High Mountain Resorts, Pastoral Hardware, 21. Hapiru, Dream Favor, JP's Yard, Arwa Construction Supplies Trading, Pakwan Waterpool, Petromax, Triangle Ceramics, our major sponsors, SIM Insurance, SIM Funerals. Special thanks to Dermaesthetic, Congressman Lord Alan J. Velasco, Governor Presby Velasco, Kuya John Fernandez, Kuya Doc Tonton Uy, we would like to give thanks also to Ma'am Alicia Palma, Mina Paez, Reynald Joseph Peña, Mercedita Del Mundo, Kimberly Marquez, Nancy Castillo, Mary Ann Laracas, Sir James Solas, Sir Lamberto Cruzado, Sir Ed Mercene, and Engineer Romel Monchano. All right, give it up to Luzon, Datom, Morion, Maticas, Eagles Club. Palakpakan naman dyan.
तू होगी 1 2 2 ओ कुड़िए what to do ओ हो गई मुंडे दी पतंगा वर्गी तू एवें उड़दी ओ हो गई मुंडे दी हिला ते चलदी टुक टुक तू करदी मेकअप तू करदी अंग्रेजी पढ़दी गिट पिट तू करदी जिम्मे कोई साडी विक्टोरिया तू कंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नच पैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा तू कंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा
DJ Redeem.
Are you ready?
Palakpakan naman dyan! Luzon, Dato, Morion, Maticas, Eagles Club. Thank you. I almost forgot to tell you, my dear Ate and Kuya, that we are live at MNN Channel 3 Cable with podcast at Channel 3 via Facebook Live. Thank you so much, DJ Romeo Mataak Jr. for this wonderful coverage. And also with live Facebook coverage through our Marinduque Maticas Region Facebook page. So, I do believe napanood na kayo sa ibang bansa ngayon. Yeah, that's true. Tayo po ay naka-Facebook Live from the start of our program hanggang sa duration po ng atin pong gawain ngayong gabi. This time around, my dear Ate and Kuya, we will hear a fraternal message from our beloved Governor of Marinduque, Maticas Region. A round of applause to the pillar of Eagles in Marinduque. Marinduque, Maticas Governor Eleuterio Bong Arraza Jr.
Thank you very much, Kuya Carlo, Ate Catherine, our able and intelligent host of the evening ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, Ate, Kuya, and Bunso, good evening sa inyong lahat. Good evening mga Kuya at mga Ate. Mabuhay ang Agila! Okay pa ba kayo? And para naman hindi na masyadong tumagal yung ating mga speeches at yung ating excitement ay lalo pang tumingkad, iso-shorten lang natin yung ating message. But of course, we would like first to greet and salute the distinguished men and women who are in the presidential table tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request you to applaud the presence of the distinguished Charter Governor of the Marinduque Maticas Region, Kuya Bobby Gonzales. We are joined here by no less than the Provincial Director of the Philippine National Police, Kuya Arthur Salida. We owe from him the status of the province of Marinduque as the consistent second most peaceful province in the entire archipelago. Kaya napakagandang accomplishment po ng ating provincial director. And of course, our Ate, the inspiration of the Lady Eagles in the province of Marinduque, no less than the Vice Governor, the best performing Vice Governor in the Philippines, Ate Adeline Angeles. This event is made more meaningful by the partnership of the Eagles Club from other regions, notably the president of the Makati Lady Eagles Club, Ate Lenny Rodriguez. The incumbent councilor of the municipality of Santa Cruz, who is the president of the Legion de Agimat of Cavite, Kuya Arman Palma. Of course, the club presidents of the 7 clubs that comprise the Marinduque Maticas region. Di ko na isa-isahin ang ating Secretary General, Kuya Darwin Sase, ating Regional Treasurer, Kuya Andrew Iturralde, at ang ating Regional Vice Governor, incidentally, is celebrating the wedding anniversary, kaya nasa Europe po. Batiin po natin at palakpakan, Kuya Christopher Laos. mga Pioneer Eagles ng Marinduque Morion Eagles Club na binigyan po natin ng pagkilala sa gabing ito. Sa lahat ng ating mga aspirants na naririto, especially yung mga bagong mukha, nandito po ang ating konsihal ng Bayan ng Turios, Daryl Landoy. Andiyan po ang ating Escape Federation President, aspirant din, Board Member Bertinos A. Valencia. Nandito po ang ating Pioneer Eagle na dating Vice Governor, dating Board Member, and currently the Vice Mayor of the Municipality of Buwak, Kuya Mark Anthony Senyo. Nandito po ang ating Board Member from District 1, Pioneer Eagle din natin, Board Member Jojo Leva. At siyempre, ang atin pong kasama sa Triumvirate na nagtayo ng Marinduque Morion Eagles Club sa lalawigan ng Marinduque. Andyan po ang ating board member at ngayon ay Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction Management Officer, Kuya John Fernandez, our National Assemblyman. At siyempre, ang host ng ating Coronation Night ngayong gabi, ang kapartner ng Marinduque Matikas Region, ang Pangulo ng Marinduque Morion Eagles Club, si Kuya Arnel Garcia. Ladies and gentlemen, sa nakaraang 5 taon, naabot po natin ang yugtong ito. At ang gabing ito ay atin pong iniaalay sa lahat ng ating mga kuya, ate at mga bunso upang magsilbing inspirasyon sa ating patuloy na pagkilos at pagpupunyagi na maitaas ang angat, mayangat ang antas ng serbisyo at malasakit ng ating mga agila. Sa panahong ito, na hindi lamang sa Marinduque at sa buong bansa, hinihingi ang ating suporta at ang ating pagtangkilik. Kinakailangan lalo pa po nating isabuhay at lalo pa nating palalimin ang ating pakikisangkot sa mga gawain pang-sibiko at pang-pamahalaan. Tawagin po natin ang pamalang pambansa at pamalang panlalawigan at pang-bayan. Ganon din ang ating mga barangay sa pagsusulong ng mga programang inaakala po nating magdudulot ng ginhawa at magtataguyod ng kapakanan ng ating mga kababayan. Sa ipinakita po ng ating 7 clubs na mga community service na kanilang isinagawa, masasalamin po natin kung paano itinutuon ng ating mga miyembro sa pagtulong sa ating kapwa at sa ating pamayanan ang kanilang talento, ang kanilang oras at ang kanilang yaman. Ito po ay pagbabahagi ng kung anumang mayroon tayo para sa ikagiginhawa ng ating mga kababayan. Yan po ang diwa ng pagiging agila. Nagkakaisa tayo bilang magkakapatid upang lalo pa nating mapaglingkuran ang ating kapwa. That is why the underlying principle of Eagleism, not only in the province of Marinduque but in the Fraternal Order of Eagles, since its inception in 1979, is service through strong brotherhood. Tonight's celebration of the Eagles Week is highlighted by the awarding of plaques of appreciation and recognition to the pioneering members of the Eagles Club who stood behind the challenges that led to the formation of the Marinduque Matikas region and motivated the volunteers of our communities to join the ranks of Eagles in the province of Marinduque. Kaya sila po yung ating pinupuri. At lalo pa nating pinasigla ang gabing ito with the special project initiated by the Marinduque Morion Eagles Club, Kuya Arnel Garcia, and the Vice President, Kuya Carlo Lustado, na magkaroon tayo ng search for the King and Queen Eagles in the province of Marinduque. That is why tonight is not just an opportunity to celebrate, to rekindle the bond that makes us all one, but also to revisit our mission and vision so that together the 7 clubs that constitute the Marinduque Matikas region will remain strong and united towards greater performance and achievements in the years to come. Sa ngalan po ng Marinduque Matikas region, sa ngalan ng inyong lingkod at ng aking Regional Vice Governor, Kuya Christopher Laos, ng ating Regional Secretary, Kuya Darwin Sase, ating Regional Treasurer, Kuya Andrew Iturralde at ang ating mga kasama sa pamunuan at lahat po ng ating mga opisyal ng bawat club, ang aming pagpupugay at pasasalamat sa lahat ng nakiisa upang maitaguyod ang tagumpay ng ating pagdiriwang ngayong gabi. Pasasalamat sa ating punong bayan, Mayor Lorna Quinto Velasco, sa kanyang pagkakaloob ng pagkakataong magamit ang maganda at maringal na bulwagang ito. Sa ating punong lalawigan, Governor Presley Velasco, sa kanyang mahalagang tulong para maitaguyod ang mga kagastusan at iba pang programa at proyekto ng ating samahan. Ganon din ang inspirasyon at sandigan ng pagkilos ng Agila sa ating lalawigan kay Congressman Lord Alan Quinto Velasco. Ang pasasalamat po ng Marinduque Matigas Region at lahat ng mga Agila sa buong Marinduque ay sa inyo. At hangad namin ang inyong patuloy na pakikisa at hangad din namin at dalangin ang patuloy na biyaya at kalakasan upang sama-sama tayong kumilos para sa isang matatag, maunlad, masagana, mapayapa at nagkakaisang lalawigan ng Marinduque. Mabuhay ang Agila! Mabuhay ang Agila! Maraming salamat. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat.
Thank you, Kuya Bong R. Raza, to that very wonderful message. At ngayon naman po, sang-ayon po sa ating announcement before, aaliwin naman po tayo ng isang special number mula po sa Torrijos, Pulang Lupa, Morion, Matikas, Eagles Club.
Bakit ba siya at siya at magiti na lang ako.
Mag-intermission. Give it up!
Hi, assalamualaikum. Shoutout po.
Thank you! Isa munang palakpakan sa Pulang Lupa. We have the privilege of hearing messages from esteemed guests who have graciously joined us tonight. So without further delay, let us welcome on the stage our well-favored Honorable Congressman Lord Alan J. Q. Velasco for his message. To be represented by Ate Arlene de Galicia Reyes.
Salamat, Kuya. To our honored guests, fellow Eagles, and distinguished members and officers of the Marinduque Maticas region, it is with great pride and profound joy that I stand before you tonight as we celebrate the remarkable achievements of our esteemed members of the Eagles Award and Grand Coronation of our King and Queen Eagles 2024. Mabuhay! This event is testament to the unwavering spirit of camaraderie, leadership, and service that defines the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated. The acronym EAGLES stands for Empowering Activities of Goal-Oriented Legit Eagles Within Society. It is an apt reflection of our collective mission to uplift and empower our communities through meaningful and impactful activities that transform the country. Tonight, we honor those among us who have exemplified these values, demonstrating outstanding dedication, leadership, and service. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to our awardees. Your hard work and commitment have not only brought pride to our organization, but have also made a significant difference in the lives of many. May your contributions are a beacon of hope and an inspiration to all of us, reminding us of the power of unity and the impact of selfless service. As we gather to celebrate, let us also take a moment to reflect on the core principles that bind us together. The Fraternal Order of Eagles is built on the foundation of strong community ties, mutual support, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Our mission goes beyond the accolades and recognition. It is about fostering a culture of compassion, integrity, and resilience. Tonight, we also have the honor of crowning our King and Queen Eagles 2024. This coronation is not just a celebration of beauty and grace, but also of leadership and service. Our King and Queen Eagles embody the ideals of our organization, serving as role models and ambassadors of our values. Their reign will be marked by initiatives that further our mission of empowerment and community development. As the representative of our beloved province of Marinduque, I am immensely proud of the progress and achievements we have made together. Our island province is a testament to the strength and potential united efforts. The spirit of Baticas is strong, robust, and resilient, is alive in each one of you. It is this spirit that drives us to overcome challenges and achieve greatness. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to all the members of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, for your unwavering support and dedication. Let us continue to work together, hand in hand, to build a brighter, more empowered future for our communities. May this night be a reminder of our shared vision and a celebration of our collective achievements. Let us soar higher like true eagles and make a lasting impact on the lives of those we serve. Thank you and congratulations once again to all our awardees and our newly crowned King and Queen Eagles 2024. Mabuhay ang Fraternal Order of Eagles. Mabuhay ang Marinduque Baticas Region. Mabuhay ang Agila. Ang mensaheng pong ito ay galing sa ating minamahal na Congressman Lord Alan Velasco. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi.
Thank you, Ate Arlene, and also thank you so much sa mensaheng ipinadala po ng ating Kuya Kong Alan Velasco. Kuya Darwin, please.
Good evening mga kuya, ate, bunso, and friends of Eagles. So this po ay special number, a surprise number from Tatlong Hari Morion Baticas Eagles Club. So a bit of introduction lang po. This idea was conceptualized in a slice of pizza. I would like to thank Kuya Ryan Par, Ate Semi Dumisnil, Ate Alona Spencer and her loving husband, Dennis Spencer, and of course, our club president, very supportive club president, Kuya Andrew Iturralde. So without further ado, presenting the Junior Eagles Band from Tatlong Hari Morion Baticas Eagles Club, headed by their club president, Xavier Gonzalez, with Bunso Aaron Par, Bunso John Paul, Bunso Lara, junior applicant Ivan, with James and Wilnard. Let's give them a warm round of applause.
Hello.
So, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. So kami nga po pala ang JE Band at sana po ay magustuhan ninyo ang aming sorpresang bilang na inihanda para sa inyong lahat.
Bakit wala Kasama ka'y parang nag-iisa. Pangakong nagmamahal. Aalis ka rin pala. Sabihin mo na kung babalik ka ba, para di na maghintay. Sabihin mo na kung ayaw ka na, para lang malaman ko. Naririnig mo ba ako? Sigaw ko ba'y walang tinig? Na kaya kong walang imig. Naririnig naman ako. Sabihin mo na kung babalik ka ba, para di na maghintay. Sabihin mo na kung ayaw ka na, para lang malaman ko. Iiyak na lang. Iiyak na lang. Bakit wala ka ba? Naririnig naman ako. Sabihin mo na kung babalik ka ba, para di na maghintay. Sabihin mo na kung ayaw ka na, para lang malaman ko.
Say. Hey, son. Sound check, 1, 2, sound. I can tell by your eyes that you're probably been crying forever. Say. In the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you, dear mirror. And I don't wanna talk about it and how you broke my heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, and if I stay here, want to listen to my heart. Yeah, you're on my heart. To my heart. Oh, my heart. If I stand all alone, will the shadows hide the colors of my heart? Blue for the tears, black for the night. Feels the stars in the skies. Don't be nothing to you, dear mirror. Say, and I don't wanna talk about it and how you broke my heart. And if I stay just a little bit longer, and if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Yeah. Oh, my heart. To my heart. Oh, my heart. Say it. Our lead guitar. Sasha. Say. Rhythm. Steve. And Aaron Parr. And our drummer, once again, Enad from Gibara Lights and Sound. Thank you. Say, I don't wanna talk about it and how you broke my heart. And if I stay just a little bit longer, if I stay, won't you listen to my heart? Yeah. Oh, my heart. To my heart. Yeah. Oh, my heart. Say it. Thank you. Mabuhay ang Agila. Yun.
Salamat! Napakahusay naman nun. Mukhang magtatayo na yata ng sariling banda ang Tatlong Hari. Mukhang mapapadayo ang mga taga Torrijos. Ano? Napakahusay na performance niyan. Palakpakan muna muli sa Tatlong Hari Junior Eagles Club. At this point in time, we will hear another words of inspiration, this time coming from the distinguished gentleman from the office of the provincial governor. Let's put our hands together to our honorable governor, Presbitero Jose Velasco Jr., for his message to be represented by our PDRRMO head, none other than Kuya Juan John R. Fernandez Jr. Isang masigabong palakpakan po.
Maraming salamat. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much, Kuya Carlo. Bago ko tuloy ang ibigay at ihatid ang mensahe ng ating minamahal na punong lalawigan, nais muna nating magbigay galang at kilalanin ang lahat ng ating mga kuya at ate na napipisan sa bulwagang ito na kung saan ang katagumpayan ng gabing ito'y ipinakita ninyo sa pamamagitan ng paglala ng oras, presensya ngayong gabi. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga sarili. Mga minamahal kong mga kuya at ate, tinais ng ating minamahal na Governor Tatay Presby Velasco, ating kuya, na siya'y makapiling ngayong gabi, dala ng kanyang obligasyon at pananagutan hindi lamang sa ating organisasyon kundi sa buong lalawigan ng Marinduque na kanyang pinamumunuan ng kanyang mga anak na mga Marinduqueño, ay siya'y nasa isang mahalagang okasyon at opisyal na mga pagtatrabaho para dalahin, tingnan kung ano pang mga pangangailangan ng pag-unlad ng ating lalawigan, sapagkat ang mga agila na kasama niya na tulad natin ay kanyang inspirasyon para tingnan ang isang pangarap ng bawat isa na maabot ng sama-sama. Pahintulutan po ninyo ako sa pagkakataong ito na ibigay at basahin ang kanyang mensahe sa pamamagitan ng kanyang, bagamat wala siya, sana maramdaman ninyo ang presensya ng ating minamahal na Kuya Tatay Gov. Presby Velasco. Honorable Congressman Eagle Lord Alan Quinto Velasco, represented by his Chief of Staff, Ate Arlene Reyes. Vice Governor Lady Eagle, Ate Adeline Lynn Angeles. Regional Governor of Maticas Region Eagles, Governor Kuya Eleuterio Bong Rasa Jr. Vice Governor Eagles Maticas Region, Kuya Tuper Christopher Laos. My fellow Eagles and their friends, a pleasant evening, one and all. It is with my great honor and pride to address you tonight at this special awarding and fellowship night of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles. Marinduque Maticas Region, tonight is indeed a celebration of our achievement and accomplishments. This is a tangible reminder of every courageous Eagles who continue to inspire our community, our beloved province of Marinduque. Ang ating pagkakaisa, ang pagtutulungan at compassion sa paggawa at paglilingkod ng ating mga haligi ng organisasyong ito'y patuloy na magpapatibay sa atin. Sa paglipas ng mga panahon at mga taon ay ipinakita kung gaano ang inyong dedikasyon at pagpupunyagi upang matulungan ang mga kababayan nating nangangailangan. Mapalad ako at naging bahagi ako ng organisasyong ito. Bagamat sa aking pagsisilbi bilang ama at tatay ng ating lalawigan, ang aking pinangarap at ninais ay makita ang aking mga anak na namumuhay sa isang islang pinagpala, ang isla ng Marinduque na hugis puso at puso ng Pilipinas, na makita tayo na patuloy na nagkakaisa sa isang layunin na ang ating lalawigan ay maiangat at maging angat sa rehiyong Mimaropa. Kaya ngayong gabi, bagamat hindi ninyo ako tuluyang kasama at kapiling, nawa ang aking mensahe sa gabing ito ay bahagi ng aking pakikiisa sa bawat pangarap ng ating mga miyembro ng Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles. Bilang isa akong agila, ay nangangarap din kung gaano katayog ang aking pangarap at pangarap ng aking mga anak sa lalawigan ng Marinduque. Pinagsusumikapan namin ng isa nating kuya, ang aking anak na si Congressman Lord Alan Velasco, na patuloy naming pinagtutulungan at pinagtutuwangan ang pangarap ng bawat Marinduqueño na makita ninyo at maramdaman na ang pagmamahal ng isang kuya, ng isang tatay ay nasa inyong mga damdamin na nakikita sa ating lalawigan. And so this evening, we honor and exceptional fellow Eagles who have demonstrated excellence, bravery, selfless service. Your accomplishment not only remind us of our purpose as Eagles, but also serve as an inspiration for future generation. May we continue to come together, unite, and support each other in achieving the goals and dreams of our organization. Our solidarity will provide the strength needed to face the challenges and trial ahead. Above all, let us continue to be our community pillars of support and hope, especially for those who are most in need. To our awardees tonight, I salute your dedication and hard work. Your achievements have been as inspiration and fruit, and every Eagles has the power to bring about positive change in our society. To all of us, may we continue to be light of our nation, serve as guides and pillar to our fellow men, and embody the true spirit of unity and service. Let us join our hand, let us share our time, our talent to continue the struggle of good governance in the province of Marinduque. Mabuhay ang Agila! Magandang gabi po. Ito ang mensahe po ng ating minamahal na tatay, Governor Presbitero Velasco Jr.
Maraming salamat, Kuya John Fernandez, sa mensaheng ipinaabot po sa pamamagitan mo ng ating minamahal na Tatay Gob, Governor Presbitero J. Velasco Jr. At isa na naman pong pampasiglang bilang ang atin pong matutunghayan sa pamamagitan po ng Buwak Morion Matikas Eagles Club. Alright, nagpa-practice pa raw po sila. Like I said earlier, we will be hearing series of messages from our esteemed guest. So at this juncture, let's welcome on stage our Honorable Vice Governor Adeline Lynn M. Angeles. Let's give her a round of applause.
Maraming salamat, my brother, Kuya Carlo Lustado. Sa lahat ng mga kuya at ate na naririto ngayon, magandang gabi. But let me make special mention of our Charter Governor, Kuya Bobby Gonzales. Also our Regional Governor, Kuya Bong Rasa. Na ngayon ko lang na-realize na yung Eleuterio pala ay may junior talaga sa dulo. And of course, sa ating mga kapatid mula sa ibang clubs, outside the region, narito Ate Lenny Rodriguez from Makati Eagles Club, Kuya Armand Palma from Legend Agimat Club of Eagles Club of Cavite. Sa lahat ng ating kapatid, sa ating Kuya PD Arthur Salida from Cebu, North Eagles Club. And of course, our kuyas and ates from the different 7 clubs of the Marinduque Matikas region, headed by the respective presidents and all officers of the 7 clubs. Sa ating lahat na naririto ngayon, mga katuwang mula sa local government units, representative ng ating ginagalang na Congressman Lord Alan Quinto Velasco, representative ng ating ama ng lalawigan, Governor Presby Velasco, mga katuwang mula sa LGUs, representative ng municipal government of Torrijos na naririto ngayon. Sa ating lahat, magandang gabi. 3 bagay lang ho ang gusto kong banggitin. Una, bilang ate rin, at bahagi ng Eagles Club, particular Morion, Tatlong Hari Eagles Club. Let me just, allow me to just express how privileged I am. I feel so privileged to be part of this organization. We must remember how renowned this Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles is, which is now celebrating its 40th. Ngayon ay nasa 45th year na ng journey or ng paglipad sa Pilipinas, at ang atin namang rehiyon ay nasa ika-6, pumapasok sa ika-6 na taon ng dito sa Marinduque ang presensya ng Eagles Club. Unay, maraming salamat sa Panginoon for allowing this first, anong tawag sa atin? First Filipino-born fraternal socio-civic organizations in the Philippines. That is the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles. Let's give a warm applause to the institution where we belong. At tama lang ho na sa pagtatapos ng ating Eagles Week ngayong taon ay napakaganda na isinama natin ang pagbalik tanaw sa pasimula ng Eagles Club dito sa ating lalawigan by recognizing the pioneer members of the club in Marinduque. Tama lang ho yun sapagkat they started it, they were the pillars of what we have now, at sila ang nagpasimula ng kung ano mang itinutuloy natin ngayon. Kaya muli, palakpakan natin ang mga pioneer natin at ang mga pillars ng Eagles Club dito sa ating lalawigan. At ikalawa ho, habang pinapanood ko naman yung community service na ginawa ng kasalukuyang mga agila dito sa lalawigan, at habang pinapanood ko yung mga intermission numbers, at habang pinapanood ko yung mga king and queens natin sa gabing ito, yan naman ang mukha ng mga agila sa kasalukuyang panahon sa lalawigan. Nagkataon lamang na meron tayong friendly competition when it comes to the services that we render to the community. But in reality, hindi naman yun talaga yung esensya nun. In reality, lahat naman tayo ay panalo na because lahat tayo ay naging instrumento ng pagmamahal at pagmamalasakit sa komunidad na Marinduqueño. And for that, every club who rendered and who became part of those community services deserve a warm applause. Let's celebrate our contributions. Hindi naman yun talaga sa basta community service lang. Sabi ko nga po ay, yun ay simbolismo ng pagmamahal at malasakit. May mga hindi malabo ang mata, na luminaw ang mata. May mga posibleng hindi nag-almusal, na nakapag-almusal. May mga posibleng walang isasaing sa kinahapunan, na may uwi-uwing isasaing sa kinahapunan. At gayon din ang ating inang kalikasan ay hindi nakakalimutan. Yan ang mukha ng malasakit at pagmamahal ng mga agila sa lalawigan ng Marinduque sa kasalukuyang panahon. Nung nakita ko rin yung intermission numbers, nakita kung gaano katalento ang mga agila. Yun nga lang, nung tinitingnan ko yung presentasyon ng Luzon Datum, ay medyo nagulat ako sapagkat nakita naman natin kung gaano ka-flexible ang mga agila. Si Kuya, si Mr. Manoos, si Sir Manoos, ayan ay nag-Kristo sa bayan ng Mugpog. Pagdating din ay naghula-hula at napakalambot pala ng katawan. Ito namang aking mga kasama sa Tatlong Hari. Ngayon, naintindihan ko na, ang tagal kong hinihiling sa kanila kung pwede, ako ang kunin nilang reyna. Pero ayaw nila. nung nakita kong pumapasok si Ate Joy, na-realize ko na kung bakit ayaw nila sa akin. Biro lamang. But that is the face of Agila sa lalawigan ng Marinduque. May puso, marunong magmalasakit, marunong magbigay, pero marunong din mag-enjoy habang naglilingkod. Yan ang mukha ng Agila. So muli po, I feel honored and I feel privileged to be part of this fraternal organization. Tatanggalin ko lang ho saglit ang aking sombrero, hindi na lang bilang ate, kundi bilang naman isa sa mga namumuno ng ating lalawigan. I would like to take this opportunity on behalf of the provincial government of Marinduque, led by our governor, Governor Presby Velasco, and of course, katuwang ang ating Congressman Lord Alan Quinto Velasco. Kasama ko ang buong 16th Sangguniang Panlalawigan na aking pinamumunuan bilang Vice-Gobernador. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, Marinduque, Maticas Region, and all the clubs here. Maraming salamat for being an effective partner in servicing or in rendering service to the Marinduque constituency. Again, magandang gabi, maraming salamat, at mabuhay ang Agila! Mabuhay ang Agila! Tuloy ang lipad ng Agila! Magandang gabi at mabuhay tayong lahat.
Thank you so very much, Ate Vice Governor Adeline M. Angeles. At sa punto pong ito, inaanyayahan po namin ang Santa Cruz Morion Maticas Eagles Club sa kanila pong special number. Let's give it up to Kuya Cristituto Kim Mora.
Okay. Paulit daw po. Wala naman itong premyo. Okay. Pasensyahan niyo po yung aming inihandang presentation. Actually, hindi po ito handa.
Thank you.